Good morning, student. Now we are going to study about memory units. That means what are the measurement or units to measure the memory unit of computer. So first of all, we have to see about the units of computer memory measurements. Now here we can see that first one is 1 bit. 1 bit, that means 1 bit is the one binary digit. That means either 0 or 1. At one time, one bit can hold only 0 or 1, not the 0 and 1, because both are including 0 and 1 are of 2 bit. In 1 bit, we can store either 0 or 1. Now, 8 bits, the group of 8 bits make 1 byte, and 1024 bytes makes 1 kilobyte. 1024, that means 2 to the power 10. If we are going to study about measurement of memory unit of computer, then we have to keep one thing in your mind, that we all have to work in 2 to the power something, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 10, like this, because the base of binary digit is 2. Now 1024 kilobyte kb makes 1 megabyte, and 1024 megabytes makes 1 gigabyte. Now 1024 gigabytes make 1 terabyte, and now 1024 terabytes makes 1 petabyte, and 1024 petabytes makes 1 exabyte, and 1024 exabyte makes zettabyte. Now these are the memory units of computer. We have started from the lowest is bit and highest is your zettabyte, and after zettabyte there is some more highest memory measurement used in computer system. So zettabyte is not the last memory unit. Now we are going to see about memory structure of computer system. That means parts of main memory. If we are going to study about main memory, then first of all, our main memory is divided in two parts. First one is RAM, second one is ROM. RAM, that means random access memory, and ROM is extend for read only memory. That means RAM, there are two types of RAM. First one is your dynamic RAM, second one is your static RAM. That means dynamic RAM uses continuously refreshing of data regularly. That's why dynamic RAM is slow in comparison to the static RAM, because in dynamic RAM the data is regularly refreshed. That's why dynamic RAM is slower than static RAM. And if we are going to talk about ROM, there are some type of ROM. First one is your PROM, that means programmable read only memory. In this type of ROM, we can only write the program, that means record the information in this ROM. This is not changeable or erasable. Second one is your erasable programmable read only memory. This type of ROM can be erased after the recording the information. And next one is your electrically erasable programmable read only memory. In this type of ROM, we can erase the data by using electric signal. And second one is your flash EEPROM. Flash EEPROM is the ROM in which the content or record is going to erase by a UV light. You can say that UV light or using light technique. And last one is your mask ROM. Mask ROM is a type of ROM. In this type of ROM, we can record the information while the time of manufacturing of the ROM. When we are going to manufacture this ROM, we have to record the information in that time, and later it cannot be erasable or alterable type of ROM. So these are the parts of your main memory, and I have explained many more, and you have to make your notes from your book, because these are the basic terms you have studied in your previous classes. So that's why we are not going to explain in deep. So thank you for watching today.